Here we go, kid. Room 2378 at the Westin Bonaventure in downtown LA. Let's take a tour. Walk in, and immediately to your right we have the cupboard with the plenty of hangers, ironing board. There is not a safe here, but that's all right. We'll come on in. And into the bathroom, we have a hair dryer. We have the cups. Looks like a little COVID update here. We have the toiletries. I don't know why it's not in focus, but you can see it. But they are wrapped up in a nice little bag here. Into the bathtub, we have a pretty clean tub. Very clean, honestly. We have the rain shower head, as well as the detachable wand. So that's pretty solid. Come on in here. And this is the 2 double beds. On the right side of this bed, I don't know if you can see it. There we go. It does have a couple of outlets. We do have some outlets over here, as well as the regular plugs, as well as the USB. No other outlets here, so you got to share with that guy. And over on this side of the bed, we do have another set of outlets. Thermostat is taken care of on the wall. TV looks kind of small from this with this wide angle lens here, but it is a pretty good size, and the picture is pretty excellent. Another COVID update, we do have the remote wrapped up in plastic, as well as the coffee and tea and creamers and all that jazz. Ice bucket with some other outlets over there for work. And then we do have a solid view over here of downtown. You can see the mountains off in the background. You can see the elevator riding up. That was kind of interesting. Goes pretty quick, so if you're motion sickness or prone to motion sickness, you probably won't like it. But overall, pretty solid view. So there you have it, kid. The Westin Bonaventure in downtown LA. Until next time.